Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word bestir in depth. First, the definition. Bestir means to make a physical or mental effort, to rouse oneself into action. Think of it simply as waking up and shaking yourself into motion. Now, let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Bestir traces back to Old English bestirian, meaning to stir up or rouse. Over time, it's been used by English speakers since medieval times. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use bestir in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She finally decided to bestir herself and start studying for the exam. Correct example 2. He needed to bestir his creativity to finish the project on time. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to bestir my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using bestir correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Bestir means to make an effort or rouse oneself. It comes from Old English origins, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with bestir down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.